In this video, we will be doing an in-depth tour of the Ekwueme Square, which is located within the Three Arms Zone in Awka. I'll also take you on a tour of the Three Arms Zone to show you the Anambra State House of Assembly, Judiciary Headquarters, Federal High Court, and the Federal Secretariat complex, so make sure you watch till the end. Ekwueme Square is the main square in Awka, the capital of Anambra State. It is named after Alexander Ifeanyichukwu Ekwueme, Nigeria's first civilian vice president. Ekwueme Square is used as the main venue for the Independence Day Parade and the swearing-in ceremony of the executive governor of Anambra State. It has also hosted a number of political rallies, religious programs, musical concerts, award ceremonies, and sports events. There are three stands in Ekwueme Square: the blue stand, the green stand, and the red stand. This is a close-up view of the red stand. It seems to be for the VIPs. This is the blue stand. The capacity of the blue stand is 1,200. Let's get a closer view of the blue stand. This is the green stand. The capacity of the green stand is 1,500. Let's get a closer view of the green stand. This is the cenotaph. Over here, we have some basketball and volleyball courts. This is the car park. Hello guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, do well to click the like button as it helps to promote the video further. Also ensure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more amazing contents to come. This is the Anambra State House of Assembly. Anambra State House of Assembly is the unicameral legislative branch of the Anambra State government. It was created in 1991 when Anambra State was created, and it is made up of 30 elected members, each representing a specific constituency within the state. I saw this abandoned building behind the House of Assembly. The inside of the building looks like what you see in horror movies. This is the Anambra State Judiciary Headquarters. The Anambra State Judiciary's role is to administer justice, interpreting and applying the laws of the state to ensure fairness and order. It is the third arm of the state government. This is the Federal High Court, Awka. This is the Federal Secretariat Complex, Awka. It is named after Ebele Ofunne-Amaka Okeke, the former head of Nigerian Civil Service. Over there is the new Anambra State Government House. The Federal Secretariat Complex provides a central location for various government offices and departments, facilitating the coordination of government policies and programs within Anambra State. The complex offers office spaces, conference halls, an exhibition hall, and other essential facilities to support the operations of the federal government in the region. So what do you think about the Ekwueme Square and the Anambra State Pre-Armed Zone? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, okay? And don't forget to click the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more amazing contents to come. See you when I post again.